Crispy, crunchy, very refreshing. Oh man, I love this dish.
Hi everyone, this is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in Miami, Florida, my hometown, and today I'm driving to North Miami Beach to try some of the best Indian food in South Florida. It feels like summer already, but when I'm not traveling, I love to play tourist in my hometown, which means trying new places to eat for my web show, especially Indian food, which is one of my favorite cuisines on the planet. It also means I have a lot more downtime to catch up with some reading with Audible, the best place to get digital audiobooks straight to my smartphone, Amazon Fire tablet, or Windows phone. Start your 30-day trial today and your first audiobook is free. Go to audible.com/DBH or text DBH to 500-500 if you're in the US. Currently, I'm listening to Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk. I love Gary V, and he's teaching me how to create better YouTube content for you guys. Remember to go to audible.com/DBH or text DBH to 500-500 if you're in the US to start a 30-day trial and get your first audiobook free. Now let's head to North Miami Beach and eat some Indian food. See you in 45 minutes. Our first stop is Kebab Indian Restaurant. Here we're gonna have some vegetable plates. We're gonna have some meat. I can't wait. It's buffet style. Let's go inside and eat.
So there's aloo gobi, cauliflower with potato, rice, plantain, yellow plantain, pumpkin with chickpeas. That's called, pumpkin chickpeas. There's aloo bharta, that means mashed potato. Tandoori chicken like a barbecue, they make in a clay oven. Butter chicken, and that goat curry. Goat Vindaloo actually, because goat with the potato, plain naan, Bhujia, that's mixed vegetable deep fried.
Okay.
Tamarind chutney, onion chutney, mint chutney, rice.
I got a mix of different things. I got chicken tandoori, goat curry, fried vegetable balls. So I got butter chicken, naan bread, rice, got some lentils. Everything looks incredible. And I got two different chutneys here. One is tamarind chutney right here. Super sweet. Mint chutney right there. So how do I start? I guess I'll go with the butter chicken. I love butter chicken. Oh my god. Feels like I'm back in Delhi. That's so delicious. Bhujia. Fried vegetables. How I dip it here. Oh my god. With the mint chutney, wow. And that's one thing that we have a lot in South Florida. A lot of Indian restaurants for lunch, they do like buffet style. So you sample a lot of different things, a lot of vegetable dishes, but also a lot of meat dishes. Oh, those lentils are so nice. I'm very light curry. I feel like I'm straight back in India right now. This one has a lot more potatoes. Now let's try the chicken tandoori. It's amazing. So far my favorite thing is the butter chicken for sure, but I haven't tried like goat potato curry. And here it is. Delicious. I know I've said it before, but my favorite two things in the world in terms of meats are lamb and goat. This goat, I just love that curry-based sauce they have. And the good thing here is that, nothing's really spicy. But in terms of like spice, India's not really like super spicy, it's just they use a lot of spices. Some mint chutney. Oh wow. Tamarind chutney. I've never tried that before. The problem with buffet style is that you can like go forever. You can just keep going back and eating and eating. I have to limit myself to 2 plates in this restaurant because I still have 2 more. See, it wasn't spicy, but it is getting hot. This chicken tandoori is too good. means that you have to use your hands to dig deep in here and get all the chicken out. I love the spices they use. It reminds me of tandoori chicken in Lucknow. Very similar. This goat is incredible. So soft, juicy, just like incredible India. Okay, and then so for dessert, I'm doing a rice pudding. This looks so yummy. Look at this. Oh wow, very creamy, very light with the rice. Some of the best rice pudding ever. So I definitely recommend coming here for the buffet. It's $11.99 plus tax, so $12.85 roughly. You can eat unlimited, delicious Indian food. Wow, it was so good. I ate 2 plates. I tried everything they had on the menu, including the rice pudding. I loved this tamarind chutney. I'm gonna have to have a little more because it's so good. So sweet. Definitely come here if you're in the area of North Miami Beach. And let's go to the next restaurant. Another thing I love about India and Indian restaurants is they give you these mouth fresheners right after you eat. Palate cleanser. I think my Uber's here. Our next restaurant is Kebab Indian Restaurant. They also have craft cocktails. They have a different twist. It's a little more, I guess, upscale in terms of not so traditional. Looks really good. Can't wait to try some more Indian food.
So my name is DJ. Actually, I'm from India, Bombay. So our specialty cuisine is Indian, traditional, authentic Indian food, which is not served in the US. Our like all traditional korma curries and goat, lamb, and tandoori chicken. Actually, traditional are usually very young chicken, like 65 days chicken, not more than that. And it's our authentic, fresh, every day we cook. It's basically it's Buddha. It's the Bombay. Basically, we have traditional god. You can say Hindu mythology. They believe on the god. There's that Buddhas and all. And then we do like every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the kebab service, and plus we do different kind of kebab and you can say like live biryani also we do.
Live biryani?
Live biryani.
Well, where's the pani puri?
Yeah, pani puri is the same counter. If you want to have a look, we have pictures that we how to make the pani puri, the diagram and everything keep over ready.
Okay, okay.
So you come anytime and have a look. Friday you come, please.
Friday?
Yeah, my side. This goes with the
Pakoda and
pitatas. Onion pakoda and with chili and curry sauce this.
Okay.
And a little good. See, this is more traditional, look like authentic in Indian. The mud pot with the rice.
And the next plate they sent me is a chicken chili. It's like fried chicken with chilies. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try is this potato fritter with some like chili sauce. Oh wow, it's hot. I love that. Oh wow. So Padilla in Mumbai. So it's fried onion with flour.
It's called pakoda all over India.
Pakoda. Looks amazing.
Yeah. This is your tandoori chicken.
Incredible. So where's the spice? This one?
Yeah, this is spicy sauce. I put that. And this is the traditional tandoori chicken.
It's amazing. So we have 3 main dishes here. Goat curry, spicy goat curry, chicken chili, spicy chicken, and then we have chicken tandoori. It looks phenomenal, everything. How should I start? What do you think? Oh, it looks incredible. Here, let me show you. Oh wow, they put like a little mango coconut sauce. I love the like spices. Incredible. I was supposed to only try food. Oh wow, so soft. The sauce they put on this is delicious. Very sweet. So now let's get to the spicier stuff. Right here we have chicken chili. Wow. This is nice. I guess I burnt all my taste buds in India. Wow. And next up, they say the spiciest dish, which is the goat curry spicy. Wow, that goat, so soft, so soft. So the goat curry is spicy, but it's not unbearable. That's one thing I always tell people is that
If you're thinking spicy, go to Thailand. This is delicious. The goat is out of control. So soft, so yummy. Spices aren't unbearable, but they're catching up on me. They're sneaking up. Last bite. One thing I love about Indian restaurants. It's good. So we had some amazing Indian food here at Kebab Indian Restaurant right here in North Miami Beach. Amazing. My favorite things were the chicken chili and the goat curry. I mean, it's the spiciest dishes, but they were so delicious. And now I'm going to a restaurant in Sunny Isles. It's right next door. It's called Copper Chimney Indian Restaurant. I don't know what to expect. I've had so much amazing Indian food. Let's go over there. Sunny Isles is located around the beach, north of Ball Harbor, south of Golden Beach and Aventura. This area is nicknamed Billionaires Row because of all the residential towers that have gone up. Some of the biggest brands in the world have built skyscrapers here, including Porsche, Armani. To live on the beach, you have to spend around $5 million plus. It's really incredible though. The beach is one of the best in Miami. You can come here to the beach. It's actually a public area. But now let's get to the restaurant. It's time to eat some more Indian food. This restaurant is more of a high-end Indian restaurant here in Sunny Isles. Very big interior. They have a nice bar. As you can see, I'm sitting in the terrace here in this shopping center where they're located. And you can see like a few of the Trump towers. You can see Porsche Design Tower. You can see Armani being built right there. So it's literally right next to the beach. The food looks incredible. I don't know what I'm getting. They're just gonna make a few dishes for me. This is the food. I'm super excited. This looks a little different. I'm pretty full, but with Indian food, I can keep going always. So what is this one? So here we have Isles Chaat. This is a mix, crisp chickpeas, potatoes combined with yogurt, served with tamarind and mint chutney. So it's like sweet. I've had this in Mumbai. This I've had in Mumbai. So let's dive in. This is like a very crunchy dish. Oh my god. This is almost like bell chaat in Mumbai. Crispy, crunchy, very refreshing. Oh man, I love this dish. This is one of my favorite dishes on the planet. It really is just incredible. Bell chaat. So I hope they don't bring me anything else. So this is actually the only thing they're sending me. I'm really happy about that because I'm really full. So out of everything today, I'm gonna give you my top for each restaurant. For the kebab restaurant, my favorite thing was maybe the butter chicken. That was really good. Then the next place, Kebab, I think the chicken chili was amazing. Also the goat, it was really nice. And here I had one dish, but this is like probably the best dish of the day, bell chaat. Wow, it's like so nice. The two different types of chutneys, you know, the yogurt, the crunch, the crisp. Oof, bomb, bomb, bomb dish. You can eat this in Mumbai. You can find it everywhere in Mumbai. It's so amazing. So that's our Indian food tour of North Miami Beach. It was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I'm going back to India soon. I'll let you guys know when that's happening, but from now on, I'm gonna be making more Indian food videos here in Miami, in different neighborhoods. There's so many different amazing Indian restaurants, and this tour today was really amazing. Loved every place. I'm gonna end it off with a little bite, and I'm going home.